Yeah, so this is the app which we have created for the second bounty. So this app, it's like the app which we have created a simple app which is used for like answering questions used by the user for answering simple question and answers. So the code begins like this. So we have libraries and setup where we have imported libraries such as hashlib, which is used for hashing the block data to ensure integrity, date time used to timestamp the blocks, and the next one is Aptos SDK, where it includes necessary classes and functions to interact with Aptos blockchain. And next we are going to initialize the Aptos client and account. We have like the REST client. It is used to initialize a client to interact with the Aptos blockchain. And the next one is account generate, where it generates a new account to interact with the blockchain. And next we have a function, the create block on chain function. It takes block details and submit them as a transaction to the Aptos blockchain. And next we have the create genesis block function. uh, it creates the first block with predefined values and submit it to the blockchain. And next we have the next block. It creates a new block using the last block's hash, assign it to the next index and submit it to the blockchain. Then later we have a class which is block. It defines the structure of a block. uh, the init function initializes the block with the index, timestamp, data, previous hash, and calculates its own hash. The hash block creates a SHA-256 hash of the blocks contained. Then we have a game logic with a few questions and answers regarding it, which we are going to ask the user. It's a list of question and answers for the game. And next we are going to create the blockchain and add genesis block. So like this, the function, the blockchain and the previous block initializes the blockchain with the genesis block and sets the previous blocks to the genesis block. And the next is game loop, where we have initialize the function of greeting the user to the game and to check the answers of the user if answered correctly or not. It greets the user and starts the quiz. For each question, prompts the user for an answer. If the answer is correct, creates a new block with the question and answer, adds it to the blockchain and updates the previous block. If the answer is incorrect, asks the user to try again. After completing the quiz, prints the entire blockchain. So at last we have the congratulatory uh, this message if based on what the user has performed. So the entire code creates a simple quiz game where each code answer adds to a new block to the blockchain. The blocks are stored onto the Aptos blockchain, ensuring the integrity and immutability of the game data. The Aptos blockchain is used to mint and store these blocks via smart contracts, making the game secure and transparent. Thank you.